Ladies and gentlemen, it was not that long ago that I did a video on Tiger Woods' girlfriend losing in court. Well, she just appealed. She ain't gonna give up until she literally gets a bag. So, Tiger Woods' ex girlfriend is taking her case against him to an appeals court in Florida. I just don't think she's gonna win, not unless he just down and give her something just to get rid of her. Erica Herman is not giving up her fight against Tiger Woods after her lawsuit against the famed golfer was rejected by the Florida state judge. In May, she asked the court to reconsider, but got denied by the same judge on June 2nd. Now she's filing an appeal prolonging a case that she's been accusing Woods of assaulting her, harassing her, and revealed details of her messy breakup with Woods in October. Herman, Woods' ex girlfriend, filed a notice of appeal Friday that states she is taking her case to the Fourth District Court of Appeals in Florida, according to court records obtained by USA Today Sports. Her lawsuit seeks to release her from a non disclosure agreement that she allegedly signed with Woods back in 2017. So, why is she doing this? Well, her attorney, Benjamin Holdas, disputes the validity of the NDA, which required her to keep her private life with Woods confidential. The disputed NDA is required. It required her to resolve any disputes between the former two lovers in private arbitration proceedings instead of public court. But yeah, she's going all public with the whole thing. So Herman said she doesn't remember signing it and even cited new federal laws that invalidate NDAs and forced arbitration agreement in cases of assault. So Judge Elizabeth Metzger did not buy these arguments. However, she ruled in Tiger Woods' favor and sent the case back to a private arbitration and noted that Herman herself never actually denied signing it. So, and by appeal, the case, she is likely going to argue that the judge was wrong and that it was never established with evidence that the NDA was valid. She has not yet filed her arguments for appeal. So, Tiger Woods' attorney didn't immediately return a message seeking comment that has denied any type of harassment allegation, which stems from her time as an employee at Woods' restaurant in Florida. In court records, she stated that Woods pursued a relationship with her when she was his employee and then forced her to sign an NDA about it or be fired from her job if she did not. So she's trying to act like she signed it under duress. That's what she's trying to go for. So the case arose from her breakup with Woods in October when she said she was tricked into being locked out of the residence at a Treasure Coast location of Florida. She stated this violated the oral tenancy agreement. She swears he told her she could stay there for 5 more years, and I just can't see anybody telling you, if we break up, you can stay here for 5 years. I just can't see that. I'm just not buying what she's saying. It doesn't make any common sense. And she also said this agreement was from other people that worked with Tiger Woods. And how can they make such an agreement if they're not the owner of the home? So anyway, she claimed $30 million in damages, filed suit against the trust Wood establish for the residents. Then she filed her lawsuit against Woods himself in March, challenging the validity of the NDA. I don't think this is going nowhere, y'all. I'm just saying, I don't think this is going anywhere. Just looking at this article, it looks like she got a bunch of nothing, but she's trying to convince the court that she has something valid against Tiger Woods and the NDA that she claims she was forced to sign. You're not forced to sign anything, so what is she going to say next? I wasn't in my right mind. I mean, I just don't see what she has here. All right. So she claims there was an aggressive use of Wood's NDA against her by the defendant and the trust under his control. The plaintiff is unsure whether she may disclose, among other things, facts giving rise to various legal claims she believes she has, the lawsuit states. She is also currently unsure what other information about her own life she may discuss or with whom. She hoped the court would declare the NDA is not valid or forcible. The judge said no. That's why if the judge said no, and then you went back to the same judge and they said no again, I don't think she has a leg to stand on. Her separate lawsuit against the trust remains pending, but could be dismissed soon by the same judge. Wood's attorney said there is no oral contingency agreement and gave his own theory about why Herman had taken her dispute to public court instead of resolving it in private arbitration as required by the NDA. By suing the trust over conduct taken by Mr. Woods and his agents following the breakup, Ms. Herman seeks to flout her obligation to resolve all disputes with Mr. Woods in a confidential binding arbitration, his attorney wrote in a court document filed in December. Instead, in the context of litigation and the publicity that is likely to follow, Ms. Herman improperly seeks to leverage a payment from Mr. Woods in an amount that no arbitration forum would ever award. Yeah, I don't see it either. For an ex-girlfriend, I don't see it. I don't see it. And as far as her claim of being harassed, that's really her word. And just from what I'm seeing here, she never provided proof that she was being assaulted or harassed. In every single article I've done on this, I have not seen one shred of anything that provides proof that that even occurred. Talk about gold digging. This is the ultimate gold digging. You think because you broke up with somebody, you weren't married to them, you weren't even engaged to each other, and you think you're entitled to $30 million? I just don't see her getting that. But please tell me what you think. This is Tiger Woods' preferred woman. So this is what he's been dealing with. And if you really think about it, throughout his whole career, he's been dealing with these same women and having problems with these same women and been shoving out money over lawsuits. So you made your bed, now lay in it, Tiger. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.